What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist and today I'm going to be giving you the top 5 tips and tricks for driving your RC crawler. Now these have nothing to do with the physical parts of the crawler, but rather how you drive it. Now I'm not telling you that any driving style is wrong, but these are just some general tips to help you get a little bit better until you develop your own driving style. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Tip number 1 is take it slow. So I'm going to crawl the hammer jaw up this obstacle. As you can see, as I go slowly, I can see exactly what all my wheels are doing. See now here, slow isn't going to work, so I need to give it a little bit of wheel speed to bounce it over, like that. But taking it slow will allow you to make more precise decisions when driving your RC crawler. Tip number 2 is be aware. Now, I'm coming up on an obstacle right now that requires extreme precision when balancing, because if even one of these tires slips off, it is going to result in me falling off the edge. So, I'm going to look at all 4 tires and see what exactly they are doing. As you can see, the back end is starting to turn off a little bit, so I'm going to correct by putting the rear steer on and adjusting. Now I can continue on. So being aware of all of the tires on your RC crawler and also where the suspension is at will definitely help you make better decisions when accounting for falls and also accounting for which way your truck is going to try and go. Tip number 3 is know your truck's limitations. So for example, as I come up this climb right here, I know that the hammer jaw can do this climb no problem. Check that out. So it did it without an issue. But your truck might not be able to do that. And if so, then you might have to get creative with how you approach this obstacle, because knowing the limitations of your truck will help you pick better lines as you drive up a crawler course. Speaking of better lines, that is tip number 4, is choosing smart lines. Now, one may see, oh, maybe I can just go straight up this. But if you know the limitations of your crawler, then maybe you can't do that. For example, I know that going straight up this with the hammer jaw will be difficult. So I'm going to pick a slightly smarter line while climbing this up. So as you can see, getting stuck there. And I kind of predicted that that was going to happen. So I'm going to adjust and then creep up just like that. And by finessing the steering, I can get up that. Had I tried to go straight up, then I probably wouldn't have made it. So picking better lines is always the smart way to go when crawling. Final tip on our top 5 tips and tricks for RC crawling is simply have fun. Come on guys, this is a hobby. You know, don't take it too seriously if you can't do everything. It's just all about having fun. And the best way of doing anything in RC crawling is doing it in the way that puts the biggest smile on your face. So, thank you guys all for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. But that's all for today, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.